Black Beauty. The very first place that he can remember was a large, pleasant meadow. To start with, he lived on his mother's milk. But soon he began to eat grass as she had to go out to work. And she came home in the evening. One day his mother came to him, and what she advised to him, she said, "The colts who live here are very good colts. But they are cart horse colts, and of course they have not learnt manners." His mother was a wise old horse and have never forgotten her advice. Her name was Duchess, but his master often called her Pet. When he was 4 years old, Squire Gordon came to look at him. He seemed to like him and said, "When he has been broken in, he will do very well." His master said he would break me in himself, so that he would not be frightened or. Breaking in means to teach a horse to wear a saddle and bridle, and to carry someone safely on his back. He must also learn to pull a carriage or cart, going fast or slow, just as his driver wishes. He has to learn never to bite or kick, nor to jump at anything he sees. Now that he was ready to leave home, his mother said to him, "I hope you will fall into good hands, but a horse never knows who may buy him or who may drive him. Some men are kind and thoughtful, like their master." Early in May, a man came from Squire Gordon's house to take him. The next day, he was taken to new master so that he could try. He found that Squirrel Gordon was a good rider and kind to his horse as well. When they came home, his wife Mary Ann was at hall. "Well," she said, "my dear, how do you like him?" "He has a fine spirit," my master replied. His master replied. She looked up at him. "He really is a beauty. And he has such a sweet, good temper face, and such fine, intelligent eyes. How about Black Beauty?" Discuss the summary. This lesson traced the life and adventures of Black Beauty, a horse in 19th century in England. It's the description about beauties of his life as a colt. When he was young, he was in the home of a kind master named Farmer Gray. He runs and plays in the meadow and receives lectures from his mother Duchess. She was very wise about the importance of being kind and gentle and never being or kicking. When he turns 4, he was sold to Squire Gordon at Birthwick Hall. Okay, this is where he gets his name, Black Beauty. He knew that humans can either be a good friend of them or their biggest enemy. Right from his young age, when horses were a crucial mode of transport for humans. Luckily, he spends his early part of his life with caring humans. Squire Gordon, one of its owners, was responsible for Beauty's happy times. The 6 young colts and Black Beauty had great fun in the meadow as galloping around, although they had sometimes bite and kick. Okay, there were 6 young colts with him, with the Black Beauty, and they were running and playing in the meadow. The colts who lived with Black Beauty were very good, but they were cart horse colts, and of course they have not learnt any manners. So his mother Duchess wanted to send him away from other colts. The Duchess advised to Black Beauty, "As you will grow up gentle and good and never learn bad ways, do your work as well as you can and never bite or kick even in play." Okay, here she told breaking in. Breaking in means what? To teach a horse to wear saddle. Saddle means the place where the people sit on the back of horse, and bridle. Bridle means what? The rope. Okay, and to carry someone safely on his back. Wearing iron shoes was a frightening experience for him, but the blacksmith did not hurt him even when he drove nails through the shoe right into his hoof. His feet seemed stiff and heavy afterwards, but in time he got used to that. Mary Ann. She gave the name to a horse as a Black Beauty. The name was suitable for him because he has beauty and has a sweet, good tempered face and fine, intelligent eyes.